Hey, welcome back to my channel, Vlogs by Key. I am so excited today. I am going to do this really quick unboxing, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm so excited. I just have to come on here and brag about my girl Costco because I got this at Costco. It was the cheapest I found. I am going to leave all the information in the description box, but let me get into it. Secondly, I also want to point out I got the new Apple Airpods, okay? So I already opened these, okay? These are the new ones, and let me tell you, these were $158 after tax at Costco. I first went to Best Buy to get them, and it was like $178 after tax, and I was like, oh my God. Those were for the old ones because I actually lost my AirPods, so I was just like being cheap and I just needed to get a replacement. But then I saw at Costco that they had the brand new ones for an even cheaper price than the older ones at Best Buy. Granted, Best Buy does price match. If you did not know that, if you show them a product online and the price, they will switch that price that they have at Best Buy to that price. Because I told the girl, I was like, girl, these are at Costco. She's like, oh, I know, we price match. So I was like, oh, too late. I already bought them at Costco. But yeah, brand new Apple AirPods, the second generation, for $158 after tax. If y'all think I'm lying, I had to save the receipt, y'all. I had to save the receipt because $158, I'm telling y'all. Okay, but what we all been waiting for, the Hero 7. Costco is the absolute plug because it comes, okay, I went into Target, right? It was $400 for the Hero 7 Black. It did not come with anything else. It was just the GoPro. I think it came with the case, but it didn't come with like a handheld anything. And I thought it came in the package. No, those are all accessories. This is it at Target. It comes with all this. The one at Costco still came with like this and the headband. So, put your girl Costco. It comes with all of this. I don't know if you could, there's a little bit of a glare from the light that I'm using, but it comes with all of this, you guys. And let me tell you the price. It was $389. $389 at Costco, you guys. And like I said, at Target, it just came with the GoPro for $400. Girl, Costco. And if y'all think I'm playing, you just pick up the card, the little card in the front. Okay, after tax, it kind of goes up, right? But anything very expensive is gonna have a large tax. But $389, y'all. I was dancing because it comes with a lot. Okay, sorry, I keep looking at myself in the camera because I'm using my iPhone to record this, but I should be looking at the camera. But after tax, just like 9% or something, it goes up to a total of $429 after tax. So, you know, you still winning because you get all of this. Let me tell you what you get. You get the GoPro, you get the frame, the cover frame, you get an SD card, right? You get the headset. So if you're like on a bike or something, or you're underwater, you can have the headset on. And this is the handheld floating. So if you're underwater, it floats and you let go of it, it floats. Or if you're just walking and you want to record yourself, you could do that. It also comes with the thumb screw here. So the mounting buckle, the curved adhesive mount, and the flat adhesive mount. You can mount this on your bike. You can mount it anywhere in your car. So it comes with 2 of those. Okay, let me tell you. 1, 2, 3, hello Costco. Okay, and then it also comes with the USB cable. I think all of them come with that. So yeah, you're getting like 10 things. I already told you the SD card, right? And the rechargeable battery. Okay, now let me hurry up and open this before I'm late to work. Oh my God, I was like, oh my God, I want to open this already, but I was like, let me wait. I want to do it for the tube because I'm just so excited and I really wanted to share with y'all. If y'all on a budget, go to Costco. Granted, it's still expensive because, you know, it's still, you know, an expensive thing. I can't even talk right now because I'm so excited. I'm actually going to... Okay, let's just break it before I get it. All right. So I'm actually going on a trip. So it comes with a little booklet. Okay. It comes with several booklets. Hello. It even comes with a little picture guide. There's an online guide. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and you get GoPro stickers. Cute. Okay, so this is the handheld device that it comes with. Okay, I was expecting it to be a little longer, but that's totally okay because I actually like the fact that this is small because you can literally, where's my little cute little bag at? My little travel bag that I'm gonna be using is like this, and it's definitely gonna fit in here, so. And you underwater, right? You jump in and you think you're gonna lose it. Oh no, hello. You could just tighten this bad boy and it is stuck to your wrist. The little mount. I love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm actually going on a trip to the Caribbean. I'm actually leaving today. Yeah, I know, I waited till the last minute to buy this stuff. Actually, I bought it 2 days ago, but I was holding off because I've been super busy and I wanted to record so that you guys could see and so I can give you the plug on Costco. So, oh my god, you guys, I'll be doing like test footage with versus like certain cameras, my iPhone camera and this and the DSLR. I don't know if I want to bring my DSLR yet though because I'm actually trying to pack very minimal, and that's another reason why I got this was because it's small. It's definitely gonna fit, like dude, this is gonna fit in the little pocket. Like I wanted to just be very minimal. Even with my packing, I have one bag for 9 days in the Caribbean, one bag, and this little GoPro and my phone, my laptop to upload pictures, and you know, to keep up with emails, because I am still gonna be working. And then there's this one little box. Sorry, I like shift changed. But yeah, so I wanted to be very minimal, so I might only do the comparison with the GoPro and the iPhone XS because that is the phone I have. So I'm opening this. Oh my god. I need to check the time right now because I feel like I'm gonna be late for work, but okay, I don't know what this is. I think this is the case. I'm not sure. I'm going to totally do a follow-up video with like me actually using this, the little adhesive. It has 3M tape. 3M tape, if you don't know, this is strong. This is strong. It ain't coming off once you put it on. SD card. 30 gigs. Let's see if Costco's a real home. 32 gigabytes. 32. This ain't no punk. Excuse me, this ain't no punk SD card. Or they give you 8 gigabytes or 16. Costco. God, I'm just so pumped right now. Charging cable and another mount with the 3M tape. Honestly though, I'm just like, documentation is so important. I'm a journalist, meaning I love to journal. Well, that's one of my big hobbies. I have journals from like the 5th grade. And what is this? Oh, I think this is a rechargeable battery. And honestly, writing, it's great, but I like, your hands cramp. I feel like I'm gonna give myself carpal tunnel early. So documenting with video is super, super special to me. Oh, this is the headpiece, I guess, I think. So it's a band. A band makes sense because it's like one size fits all and it's portable. You guys, I can put all this stuff in my little purse bag with everything else. So yes, GoPro. So excited. Wait. You see how I got too close to the camera and was like I knew what I was doing? All right. Okay, so I thought I got this stuck in there because I put it in wrong and I used this little flapper thing. Do not rip this out. Oh, it turned on. I think you saw that little red flash. Or am I tripping? So don't rip this out because I think this is that thing. I think that's what you're supposed to use to pull it out because it's not like a push and bounce. You know what I'm saying? So don't be... I just break it. Okay, this is kind of not so smooth. All right. Power button. Ah! I did it! The quality. Oh, buddy. Language, Francais. Just kidding. English. GPS? Yes! Capture the location where your videos are taken. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. You have to download an app on your phone, which I cannot show you because I am recording with my phone. I have to go to work, so that is how it comes in the box at Costco. You get all these accessories at Costco. So take you behind the Costco if you want to get a GoPro. Again, it was $429.96 after tax.
Quick update now that the GoPro Hero 7 Black has been out for a while. As of September 2019, Costco has a GoPro for $319. Same one is at Target for $329. again, take your butt to Costco.
And your new generation iPods were $158.76. $144.99, okay, with the regular like AirPods new. I'm telling y'all, y'all think I'm lying. Costco is it. And if you don't have a Costco card, you better find a friend with a Costco card. Stay tuned for the travel video vlog and the comparison between the GoPro and other cameras. Thank you so much for watching. I have to go get ready for work. So thank you. Bye.